Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy blanket. You could use it as an afghan or a baby blanket. So let's get started. The suggested yarn for this blanket pattern is Bernat Blanket Yarn, and it's a thick chenille type yarn. But you could also use the Bernat Softee Chunky. So today I'm going to demonstrate with the Softee Chunky yarn and an 8mm crochet hook. The pattern calls for chain 92. I'm just going to chain a smaller amount just to demonstrate the stitch. So I'm just going to work a few chain stitches here to show you. When you have your chain the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2, single crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. Single crochet. Double crochet. You're going to repeat that all the way across your chain of 92 stitches. After you've worked all the way across the row, you should be ending in a single crochet. For the next row, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Now there's your next stitch, and it's a double crochet. So you're going to single crochet in the double crochet. And then that's a single crochet, so you're going to double crochet in that single crochet. And that's how the pebble stitch works. So single crochet and double crochet. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Single, double, single, and you're going to end with a double. Okay, when you've worked across your row, you're going to have ended with a double crochet. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn, and that counts as the first single crochet. And the next stitch is a single crochet, so you're going to make a double crochet in that stitch. And a single crochet in this double. So this is a single crochet and that's a double. So I'll make a double here and a single there. So double. And single. And you're going to continue to work those 2 rows until the blanket is the size that you would like. Now after your blanket is all finished, you're going to make a double crochet border. So to do that, you'll chain 2. And that will count as that first stitch. And then you'll evenly double crochet all the way around your blanket. But in each of the 4 corner stitches, we're going to turn the corner here, you're going to work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then you'll just continue down the next side, making 1 double crochet in each stitch. When you're working on the foundation row or at the end row, it's easy to see the stitches. When you're working up the 2 sides, just try to work evenly. Like that, and that will be how you work your border. 1 double crochet in each stitch, 3 double crochet in each of the corner stitches. And that's all you need to know to be able to crochet this Tiny Bubbles blanket. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.